Today I'll show you this one model is K8C and K8S. So how to disassemble this phone? At first I will open the SIM ejector, and second time I will open the back panel. I'll safely open back panel, and I will open the screw from motherboard frame. I will open all screw and remove motherboard frame. Third time I will open the PCBA boot line. Open the screw. And remove sticker line, sticker base and charging base, and I will open the remote and open antenna cable and separated PCBA boot, and I will open the battery line and display line, and I will open the camera remote. I will open the power button and volume button remote, and I will open the camera and back front camera and back frame camera. And finally I will separate it motherboard from phone body, and finally separated from body, and I will open battery, and I use gum cutter cleaner. Wow, it's amazing. And separated battery from body, cutting this gum tape. Wood cutting used for stainless steel blade, and finally remove battery. So I will open the back panel, back frame, and separated motherboard and separated battery. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button, get all notification at first. So guys, thank you, bye bye, see you next time and next videos.